Hey guys, I'm Tiffani Rains and I'm a makeup and skin artist out of New Jersey, and I'm so excited I get to share with you the newest product to the Green Clean family, Deep Sweep. Deep Sweep is a 2% BHA toner that has moringa and papaya and is alcohol free. It gently exfoliates the skin, clears out your pores, and controls oil without stripping the skin. It's a toner that you can use daily, and it's perfect for oily and combination skin types. Not only is it packed with moringa, which purifies and refreshes the skin, and papaya that clarifies the skin to reveal a fresh complexion, but it also has salicylic acid that exfoliates the skin, and chlorella, which nourishes and soothes your skin. I can't stress enough as a makeup artist how important it is to take care of your skin, making sure you have a perfect clean base and keeping it hydrated. These products help me get that done. Want to know how to use Deep Sweep in your skincare routine? Let me show you. I love to start my skincare routine with Green Clean Cleansing Balm. I love the way it gently cleanses my face without stripping my skin of its natural oils. Then I go into my toner, the Deep Sweep, which exfoliates my skin and also controls my oils in my T-zone. Next, I have to moisturize with the Daily Greens. It's such a great hydrating moisturizer without being overbearing and making you feel greasy. And last, I must protect my skin with SPF, the Green Defense. All of this means nothing if you don't protect your skin every day. And that's my routine with my Green Clean family.